Hey, Nick here at Rankin Biomedical. Taking a look at our new and improved workflow for one of the labs we're doing work for. They had a PrintMate 450 that we just upgraded to a C100 Dakewe laser cassette printer. And their workflow used to be that they'd have to go in here and go File, Save As. They'd have to change the file type to a certain type of um, old format to make it work with another piece of software. From there, they'd have to, let's just say it was Excel, they'd have to double click this PC, put it into a drop folder, a watch folder. In this case, I'm going to use the C100 folder, but they had a different folder in the past, and then save the file. Now, new workflow type. As soon as they get done entering the data that they wanted in the Excel spreadsheet in the format they wanted it, they can now just go to our Rankin tab and hit send to C100 print queue. Or, even easier yet, this new shortcut for send to the C100 print queue right in their quick access toolbar. As soon as I hit that, right there we got cassettes printing off instantly, and this cassette printer is fast. They're able to get much more work done in much less time, just improving their workflow overall.